Teaching mathematics in our schools can be a challenging task. There have been significant curriculum reforms in recent years, and many teachers are finding it difficult to incorporate the changes in a way that benefits their students. The Best Practices in Mathematics Education module offers an opportunity to engage with theory and practice to support the meaningful integration of these reforms in the classroom. This module provides a foundation in relevant theory and a background to recent reforms. It offers you opportunities to engage with practical and useful approaches to ensure that students are motivated and actively developing their mathematical proficiency.